In this guide, I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN on your iPhone. Intro. There are two main ways to do this. For a manual VPN setup, open Settings and go down to General. Scroll down until you see the option that says VPN and Device Management, then select VPN, then go all the way down and tap Add VPN Configuration. You'll then want to enter the VPN details provided by your VPN service, including the server, remote ID, username, password, and any other required information. Then save the configuration and connect. For most people, the easier option is just using a VPN app. Go to the App Store and search for VPN, find the one you want to use, and install it. You can then open the VPN app and follow its setup steps. When prompted, allow it to add VPN configuration, then enter your iPhone passcode. Once the configuration is added, tap Connect inside the app. You can disconnect later either from the VPN app or by going to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management, and then VPN. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.